looks fake. They pretty whack, man. I ain't gonna front.
Yes, I have curly hair. Yes, it is natural. Yes, my name is Noodlehead for a reason. But no, nobody likes my curls. I recently posted an Instagram poll telling my followers to rate my natural curl hair, and the outcome wasn't as what I expected to be. Yeah, I need a new solution. Either get better curls or just go bald. And since my name is Noodlehead and not Egghead or Humpty Dumpty, I'm obviously going to choose the first step and get better curls. But already having curls naturally, how else am I going to get more curls? Holy shit, a perm. A perm on a naturally curly hair? How does that shit even work? Let's test it out.
I'm excited to shut up these haters, so let's stop wasting time and let's start going towards my hair appointment.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
How's it going?
Only 2 months.
You ready, buddy?
No, just 2 days. You ready?
Yeah, kinda scared.
Living on this earth, and I got a lot of blessings. A lot of niggas hate me, that's okay, cause I ain't stressing. I got a lot of money in my pockets, keep expanding. Smoking on this gas, I'm so high, I'm...
Yeah, good thing you came in, because your curls were not popping.
Really?
Bro, the comments were not lying, bro.
Never promised, so appreciate the past. I've been living life good, never holding back. I've been working more than I should, might have to relax.
You left me in the dark, I really don't know what just happened. Lately feeling fucked up, got me stuck up.
Alright, so after waiting like 40 minutes, finally taking out these little tubes. How's it looking?
Looks great.
Are my curls popping now?
Your curls are popping.
Thank you, Lord. Guys, now we're gonna shut up the haters.
Mob out.
Sure?
Gonna mob out in a G-Wagon.
It's all my about in the G-Wagon.
It's good though.
Yeah? Alright, so she just finished up with my hair. She said she's gonna put some products in because it could be more popping.
Then I got a lot of blessings. A lot of niggas hate me, that's okay, cause I ain't stressing. I got a lot of money in my pockets, keep expanding. Smoking on this gas, I'm so high, I'm never landing. Drugs take the pain away, humans bring it back. The future's never promised, so appreciate the past. I've been living life good, never holding back. I've been working more than...
Alright guys, so this is the after results right here.
Fire, look around.
I didn't see you there. What's up guys? So it's been 24 hours since I've got the perm. You know, it's so fresh, it made me look like I got a haircut. No, the perm gave me a haircut, forget that. Alright guys, so now it's time to get people's opinion and what they think of my perm. And no, we're not gonna go on Instagram or any of those stuff to get their opinions. We're gonna go in real life person and get their opinions. And if there are any haters out there, then I mean, we're gonna hit them hard with some comebacks. Alright, so do you think my hair is naturally curly or is it a perm?
This looks fake.
It looks fake?
Looks fake.
No, it's natural.
Yeah, I know it's natural, but looks fake.
Oh, it looks fake?
By
Oh.
natural. It's natural.
Why does it look fake?
Because you know, I look like a little plastic or something like that.
A little plastic.
Yes,
Oh.
there.
How mad are you that you don't have curls like these?
I mean, honestly, I don't even like curls. They're pretty lame to me. That's basically.
Okay. Are you just saying that because you don't have any?
Oh, nice question. No.
Alright. Thank you for your time, sir. What do you think of my curls?
They pretty whack, man. I ain't gonna front.
Did you find it yet?
Find what?
Should I give? What's your opinion about my curls?
They look pretty good.
Look pretty good?
Yeah, they are kind of dark. I prefer light hair, but they are pretty good.
You're not lying to me? They're good?
Yeah, they are good.
You're good?
Yep.
Alright. You're good, guys. He said it.
Who make it for you?
Noodleheads.
Oh yeah, this company is the best, man.
Okay.
Yeah, I am in television.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, this company is the best. You know, I have plans to implant hair to my head too. You know.
Yeah. Okay. So what if I told you all my hair, this was all noodles. You know the top ramen noodles, the soup?
Yeah.
What if I told you we just got, glue and we put on my
Like
head?
somebody how one they like do when they start to eat your hair.